Hey everybody, welcome to Seedsheet, where we make gardening ridiculously easy. Thanks so much for your order. So today we're going to tell you how to plant your seed sheet for the first time. You're going to have in your package your seed sheet, your 3 green stakes that are just going to be used to make sure it doesn't blow away, and you're going to have your misting nozzle. And this is this really cool nozzle that can go onto any 1 liter, 2 liter bottle just to make sure you're watering gradually and easily. So you're going to take your container. Whether you bought a container from us or you're using your own, it's cool. We love you no matter what. You're going to fill it up as close to the brim as you can with a good organic soil mix. And then what you're going to do is take your sheet and you're going to place it seed side down on top of the soil. And if you look, you can see the seeds are all centrally located in each pod. You're just going to place it seed side down on top of your container. Use your hands just to push it down a little bit to make sure that it's nice and even. Then what we recommend for the first time that you're gardening or first time that you're planting your seed sheet is to do it in your sink. And that way our bags are breathable, water will spill out of it, which is what's really necessary to make your plants grow well in a container. And so for the first time that you're growing with it, first time that you're watering it, plant it inside of your sink. And it's just going to mean that you're not going to have a nasty mess. So what you're going to do next is to take your green stakes, and there are pre-slit X's, 3 of them, inside of the sheet. And you're just going to place it inside of the X and push down, and it goes in really nicely and gently, really nice and easy. And that's just going to, again, make sure that the wind's not going to knock it away. So then you're going to take your water bottle, and you're just going to gently spray the top of each pod, nice and evenly. So it's really important to note that right here you can see that the soil that was contained inside of the pod after the pod is dissolved is still dry. So it's really critical that you keep watering that until that soil becomes noticeably moist and saturated, because that soil is going to suck up the moisture and bring it down to the seeds. Alright, so you've done with your initial water. You've taken your seed sheet and you've taken it out of the sink and put it into the green container. This is just going to trap the extra water. Then you can keep it inside of your house or your apartment. You don't need to bring it outside yet. And what you're going to have to do is just keep watering the pods every day. You can do it once in the morning, you can do it in the morning and the afternoon. It doesn't require much water. You just want to spray a little bit onto each pod until you see that the soil is moist. Seeds need to be in contact with water to sprout. So you can keep your garden inside. As soon as you see sprouts though, you're going to want to take it and you're going to put it outside. And you want to put it in a spot that gets as much direct sunlight as possible. And continue to water it on a daily basis as your sprouts develop. And then stay tuned because we've got more notifications coming at you with what to do next. Welcome to Seedsheet, where we make gardening ridiculously easy.